Picture this, the aftermath of a car accident. It's a chaotic scene, but for Miracle Body and Paint, it's a call to action. As the damaged vehicle rolls into the shop, the disassembly process begins. But what exactly are we looking for? First, the obvious: dents, scratches, shattered glass. But it's not just about what meets the eye. We dive deeper, inspecting the vehicle's frame for potential misalignment, a hidden issue that could lead to serious problems down the line. Next, we check the engine, brake system, and other mechanical components. A collision can cause unseen damage to these vital parts, and ensuring their functionality is crucial. Then there's the interior. Safety devices like airbags and seatbelts are carefully examined for any faults. While the disassembly process may seem daunting, it's all in a day's work at Miracle Body and Paint. We're committed to restoring your vehicle to its original safe condition. So the next time you see a damaged car, know there's more than meets the eye. It's a complex puzzle, and we're here to piece it back together. Remember, safety first, always. From Miracle Body and Paint, we're here to make miracles happen. Stay safe on the roads.